Because I ran out with baking soda, I finished the 1 pack of baking soda yesterday when I washed the other blackberries that I cooked. So now I'm gonna use only the sea salt to soak it in the water. So it kills the worms and the bacteria in this blackberry. Or if you don't have a lot of sea salt, you can use also the vinegar. So that's white vinegar, guys. It's good to use for soaking the blackberry for 10 to 15 minutes in a salt or vinegar or baking soda. This is the second batch, guys. I'm gonna use the MP5 Salad Master cookware. So 5 parts multi-purpose Salad Master. So this is electric as well. And let's go. So this is the leftover last night that I couldn't put to the another 4 quarts miso pot. So while I'm still washing the rest of my baking blackberries today, so let's start cooking this one. And then when it started grilling, I can add on some more. So just let it boil. It's still cold because I put it in the fridge, so it doesn't get bad from last night. Using the MP5 multi-purpose 5 quarts. So our heat temperature is 450 degrees Fahrenheit, medium heat for starting to boil. So when it's boiling, we're gonna put in a low heat around 200 or 180 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the peak I did today. Look at that. It's 1 bunch after I wash it. Oh my god, this is a lot. But last night or yesterday's is 1.5 of this. So that 1.5 was this one. After it's cooked, it's become a little bit. It's only half of the 4 quarts and plus the leftover in that MP5 here. So this is the leftover from last night. So I think it's gonna start boiling soon.
Guys, it's clicking already. The MP5, the maple bulb. So it means it's boiling already. So let's check it out. Yeah, it's boiling already. So boiling already, so we can add the sugar. So it's up to you guys. I'm adding white sugar because we have a lot of white sugar here. And I don't have much the brown sugar, so that's why I'm using the white sugar. So and then when you start boiling, guys, you have to stir it. And then we're gonna add the coconut milk, 2 cans of coconut milk to make it very delicious, guys. You're gonna need a lot of sugar for this. But even I put a lot of sugar. So this one is coconut milk as well, but it's so a lot of work, guys, when you are making a blackberry jam. First, you have to, of course, wash the blackberry. You have to pick a lot of blackberries. Since we have 5 acres land of blackberries or 2 hectares of blackberries in our area, so that's why I'm doing this. And ground cinnamon, I'm gonna add them all because I'm gonna add them more later. Blackberry, grind blackberry. When it's shrinking, guys, when it's like after 2 hours, it shrinks, so I can add more another blackberry juice, pure 100% blackberry after, because I always remove the seeds, so I don't like with seeds. Pangit kainin, guys, magaspang. It's rough when you are eating it, the blackberry jam, when you include the seeds. And we're gonna add also a clove. This is organic clove. So it's gonna have a spicy taste, and clove is good for intestine, para magpapayat ko no, to lose weight, but I don't know, it doesn't work on me. And I'm gonna add nutmeg. So this is nutmeg. I'm the one who grind the nutmeg. So 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, guys, or if you want 2 teaspoons, it's up to you. And then of course, after adding the milk, it's not boiling anymore, so you can close the lid again. When it's boiling, you remove the lid and stir it again. So you don't have to stir all the time. You have to put in a low heat so it doesn't overflow, because this one, guys, when you add the milk, the jam, when it's boiling, it's gonna be overflowing in your pot. So that's why you have to put in a low heat. It's still gonna boil. So I always have a complete ingredients or spices with me, because you know I'm drinking clove tea with cinnamon and turmeric. Guys, it's up to you guys if you want a little bit sweeter or you don't want too much sugar. So it's your choice, guys, if you want to add more sugar. So because me, I don't have any problem with sugar this time, because I've been taking fenugreek to maintain my sugar. So fenugreek seeds, you boil it or soaking in the water overnight, it's good for maintaining your blood sugar too. Let's do again another round for the second batch of my blackberry jam. Pure smoothie of this, guys, it's so good. It's so delicious, sweet and sour. So let's do again this work. So a lot of work. You need a lot of patience when you're making your jam. Oh. So I'm gonna get the pure 100% juice of blackberry, removing the seeds. That's how I did last night before I sleep, but I stay until 2 a.m. just to make the blackberry jam, doing this kind of thing. A lot of work, guys. Add more blackberries here because it's shrinking already. It's like 1 inch shrink already after 30 minutes. I'm gonna add some more. That's how I do it, guys, until it's gonna be cooked after 6 hours. So see, guys, it's a lot of work because I don't cook in a high heat. I wanna save the nutrients. I don't wanna kill all the nutrients or vitamins of the blackberry. That's why I cook it in a medium heat to low heat. So now it's a medium low, the heat, because it's boiling already. I'm gonna show you here. We're gonna add some more because it's 3/4 already, so more than 1 inch down.
So add it ng add hanggang mapuno, hanggang maubos yung iyong ginagawang. That's how I do, guys. I keep adding because it keeps shrinking. Total, I'm gonna cook this for long hours, so it's okay to add and add. So now it's full. Keep adding.
it's gonna be shrinking again in a half later on. 3/4 again, so I did already twice adding, and now this is the third time I'm gonna add some more. It keeps shrinking, guys, after 30 minutes, 30 minutes. So this is after 1 hour already. So now I'm gonna add the whole thing, I guess. So this is the last one I add, and later I'm not gonna add any more when it's shrinking. So because I need to make it cook already before I sleep. So I only have another 4 hours before I sleep. It's 7 o'clock at night already here. So it's gonna shrink again, guys. So it keeps shrinking when it's drying.
Look at that. It looks like dinuguan, the color. It's velvet red, the color.
So the second batch of my blackberry jam is still cooking. It's 250 degrees Fahrenheit. So I close the lid, but now I have to stir again. So every 5 to 10 minutes, I have to stir it. So it's after 5 hours already, pero malabsay pa din. It's still not thick. It's not to be thick or sticky. So this one, it's gonna be canning or put in a jar, airtight lid tomorrow when it's cooled down. So I'm gonna continue cooking this until tomorrow. It's so yummy, guys. Sweet and sour jam. This is the second batch of my blackberry jam. It's become only 1/2 on my 5 quarts MP5 multi-purpose 5 quarts salad master pot. So I'm cooling it down. It's done already. It's been 10 hours cooking, guys, from yesterday until now. So it looks so delicious. Let's try it. Let's try it. God, this is so good. Yummy, yummy. The aroma of cloves and cinnamon, and what else I add? Cinnamon cloves. It's really good on it, and nutmeg. So good. See, guys. Oh, yummy, yummy, yummy for tummy. It's good thing. It's good thing, guys. I don't have a bread, because if we have bread here at home, oh my god, I'm gonna eat this a lot. So that's why, that's the reason we never buy bread at home, because we both like want to lose weight. Ito na, guys. Here we are now again, canning or putting in a jar my 10 hours cooking of blackberry jam at Salad Master MP5 in a very low heat, because I want to keep the nutrients of the blackberry. Sarap, asim. Maasim-asim na manamis-namis. So talagang pang jam. So ito na, puno na siya. And the next one, mas malaki, tripod size. So I always keep all the jars from the sauce that when it's like in glass. Sana magkasya lahat. Parang hindi magkakasya lahat. Kukulangin ang lagayan. Pero malaki naman. Hopefully it fits. It's so yummy because of 2 coconut can of milk. Coconut milk, not milk. Coconut milk, guys. I don't use milk because, you know, if you use milk on it, yeah, it's gonna be tasty, but the problem is you cannot stock up for years. If you use coconut milk, you can stock up for years. This kind of jam. So, pahit-pahit. Para walang kalat. Kailangan kasi malinis, saka hindi siya sasalid sa takip. So, it doesn't touch the lid. Because it's sour, you know. If the lid is not good, it's gonna be very crusty. So, it's better if we get a jar that the lid is plastic. The good plastic. First, we have to put lid, so the insects doesn't go in. Okay, airtight. And this one also, this is nice. See, it's very clean, the inside of the lid. And another one. Masarap yung tutong-tutong na. Tutong-tutong na. Sa akin na lang po.
Ayan, nagsakto, guys. So, punong-puno. Sa akin na lang itong itong pandak na malapad. Kasi malabo yung botelya niya, hindi natanggal lahat ng paste. Dumidikit siya sa kamay ko. Kahit binabad ko na siya sa mainit. Tagal ko siyang binabad sa mainit, magdamag, hindi pa rin natanggal yung mga dikit yung tinanggal na lindol. See, guys, oh, diba? Tapos, sasairin ko to. Diretso sa bibig. Sarap. Wow, yummy. Asin naman na miss. Saan palo. So, ito na, guys, yung this all the products. The finished product of my hard work. Blackberry jam. This is the first batch. 3 3/4, and this is the second batch. So I got 3 big jars, but this one all is small jars. So it's like more than like double the first batch, double the second batch. So see, only one is small jar, the rest are the big jar. So I have 8 jars right now. See, guys, in just 2 days of picking, I got 8 jars, 5 small jars and 3 big jars for my blackberry jam. Yummy, yummy. Who's gonna be lucky to get these?